Did you know that black holes spawn new universes? Seems impossible, right? But how would you react if I said that it is possible? In this video, I'll share amazing facts about black holes, some facts that will really shock you. Stay tuned to the end of the video if you want to know who actually discovered this phenomenon. First, let's see what black holes are. When a massive star collapses, black holes of stellar mass are formed. After the formation of a black hole, its size increases by absorbing the mass around it. Some black holes are even called supermassive black holes because they are much bigger than other black holes. Their sizes increase by absorbing other stars and merging with other black holes. What's exciting is that black holes have a strong gravitational pull that even light can't escape. The gravity is so strong because the matter is squeezed into a tiny space. It happens when a star is dying. Now, did you know Einstein didn't actually discover black holes? The ideas in his theory said they could exist, but Carl Schwarzschild used Einstein's math to expand the idea. This was back in 1915, the same year Einstein developed his theory. Schwarzschild made a fascinating discovery known as the Schwarzschild radius, revealing the minimum size of an object must be compressed to form a black hole. Even before Schwarzschild, John Michell thought about massive stars being so packed together that nothing, not even light, could escape them. But black holes didn't get their name until much later, in 1967. So it's like people were talking about these crazy dark stars long before they had the fantastic name black hole. Now, let's talk about the spawning of another universe. It might seem wild to think that black holes could give rise to entirely new universes, especially since we're not even sure if other universes exist. But believe me or not, scientists are actively studying this area. The theory suggests that our current universe has some specific conditions that make life possible. If you change even the tiniest thing about these conditions, life as we know it wouldn't exist. It's a mind-bending concept still being explored, but it opens up a new realm of possibilities in our understanding of the cosmos. Deep within a black hole lies a perplexing entity known as the singularity. Here, the laws of physics reach their limits, bending and warping into incomprehensible configurations. A black hole might create a whole new universe, but one that is slightly different from ours. Inside a black hole, things get chaotic, and the rules of reality might change. We're not sure exactly how this happens, because it's all hidden by the black hole's event horizon, the point of no return. However, scientists have some ideas from studying quantum physics and cosmology. They think tiny random movements and pairs of particles popping in and out of existence could be part of how it happens. These small actions might set the stage for a new universe. In this speculative realm, the laws governing matter, energy, and the fundamental forces of nature may undergo subtle variations, giving rise to a universe with distinct properties and characteristics. Perhaps the forces that bind atoms together are slightly stronger or weaker, or the fundamental constants take on altered values, leading to a cosmos with different physical properties. While this notion lies firmly within theoretical physics, it sparks the imagination and invites exploration into the deepest mysteries of the cosmos. The singularity, a puzzling point where we can't quite figure things out, might unlock doors to places we can't imagine. It could be where new universes are born after stars collapse into black holes. Moving on to another fantastic fact. Did you know that a supermassive black hole exists at the galaxy's centre? So, what's the deal with this supermassive black hole? Well, it's so cumbersome that it makes our sun look like a tiny component. Imagine trying to fit billions of suns into one giant space. That's the kind of gravitational pull we're talking about here. But here's the point. This black hole isn't just about destruction. It's also a cosmic player, shaping the galaxy around it. Its gravitational pull influences the movement of stars and dictates the structure of the Milky Way itself. And here's the mind-blowing part. Scientists believe that almost every giant galaxy out there has one of these supermassive black holes at its centre, quietly pulling the strings of the universe. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember there's a massive, invisible black hole in our galaxy. Fascinating, isn't it? The black hole at the centre of our galaxy, Sagittarius A, is over 4 million times more massive than our Sun. Despite being nearly 30,000 light years away, it's pretty sleepy. However, scientists suspect that it had a massive outburst about 2 million years ago, possibly even visible from Earth. Before moving forward with more amazing facts of black holes, and for delving deep into the enigmatic depth of the cosmos, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for the regular updates on cosmic explorations. So, black holes also slow down time. But how is this possible? Well, black holes exhibit a phenomenon known as gravitational time dilation, a consequence of Einstein's theory of general relativity. In simple terms, gravitational time dilation occurs due to the space-time distortion caused by a black hole's immense gravitational pull. As an object approaches a black hole, it experiences increasing gravitational forces. This gravitational field warps the surrounding space-time, causing time to pass more slowly for an observer near a black hole than for a distant observer. The gravitational time dilation effect is proportional to the strength of the gravitational field experienced by the observer. Therefore, as an object moves closer to a black hole, the gravitational time dilation becomes more pronounced, resulting in a perceptible slowing down of time relative to observers in less intense gravitational fields. Apart from this, you can theoretically convert anything into a black hole. Yes, think of a black hole as a superdense object in space that's good at pulling things in. The centre of a black hole is packed with a lot of stuff squeezed into a tiny space, making its pull super strong. Because of this, even light gets sucked in, which is why we can't see black holes directly. Here's a crazy idea. You could technically turn almost anything into a black hole if you squished it down enough. Imagine if you squeezed our Sun into a space as small as just 3.7 miles across. That would make it incredibly dense and turn it into a black hole. The same idea could apply to Earth or even your own body, though that's not something you need to worry about. But in real life, we've mainly seen black holes form when massive stars, much more significant than our Sun, run out of fuel and collapse under their gravity. That massive collapse creates a superdense core which can turn into a black hole. It's like the ultimate cosmic recycling. Well, here's a fascinating fact. Black holes can warp time and space so much that they create a gravitational lens. This means that they can act like a giant magnifying glass, bending and distorting light from objects behind them. It's as if they're cosmic lenses, giving us a unique view of the universe. With each discovery, black holes continue to captivate our imagination and push the boundaries of our understanding of the cosmos. While Einstein didn't directly find black holes, his ideas helped us to understand these mysterious objects. Thanks to scientists like Schwarzschild and Mitchell, we're constantly learning more about the weird and fascinating world of black holes. Let's recall the important points to fix them in your mind. As a massive star collapses, a black hole is formed. It has such a high gravitational pull that even light can't beat it. And you can expect a black hole to introduce a new universe. Black holes can also wrap time and space. While Einstein created the base, further studies expanded the idea of black holes. Before I end the video, let me know one thing. What if you fell into a black hole? It's a very interesting question you must explore. I'll create a complete video on this concept, so stay tuned with me. There is a vast knowledge waiting to be explored in space exploration, from the formation of black holes to the birth of the stars. By watching more space exploration videos, you learn about the shocking mysteries of space that expand your understanding of the cosmos.